Hello, jaundice. Jaundice is the hello. I am going to discuss jaundice. Jaundice is the yellowish discoloration of the skin and the mucous membrane and the whites of the eye. It is sclera. It is due to the increased amount of bilirubin in the blood. That is usually more than 3 times than the normal. The normal value is 0.3 to 1.2 milligram per dl. Its types are jaundice types are hemolytic jaundice, that is prehepatic, then hepatocellular jaundice, that is intrahepatic, then obstructive jaundice, that is post-hepatic. And the causes, the hemolytic jaundice. Hemolytic jaundice, its causes. Let me first give you the photos of the test. So that you can see it, you can know it, learn it more clearly. I am going to discuss causes of jaundice. Causes of jaundice. I just told you the types. That is number one is jaundice. That is hemolytic jaundice. Hemolytic jaundice is due to the breakdown of the RBC. RBC breaks down into unconjugated bilirubin. So the level of unconjugated bilirubin rises in the blood, leading to increase in the that is unconjugated bilirubin in the level in the blood, but liver function tests remain normal. Its causes are blood transfusion reaction, number 2 hemolytic anemia, number 3 gallbladder stone. These were the causes of hemolytic jaundice. That is blood transfusion reaction, hemolytic jaundice. Now blood transfusion reaction, hemolytic anemia, then gallbladder stones. Then number 2 is hepatocellular jaundice due to the dysfunction of the liver cells. Its causes are infection, that is hepatitis virus, then drugs or chemical toxicity, then excessive alcohol consumption. Then number 3 is obstructive jaundice. Obstructive jaundice that is due to the obstruction of the bile duct, and that leads to the altered secretion of the bile. And it is of two types: extrahepatic jaundice. Now, extrahepatic obstruction is due to the blockage of the bile duct, for example, gallstone or tumor. Then intrahepatic. Intrahepatic, that is cholecystitis. That is cholecystitis. Cholecystitis. That is due to the blockage or swelling in the intrahepatic duct. Then clinical features: yellowish skin or sclera, then light grey or clay colored stool, then itchy skin, then nausea, then lack of appetite, then tea colored urine, then prothrombin time PT is also increased. बस बड़ा कोई चक्कर नहीं, बस तो बैठे अपने बिजी की तरफ से मिलकित भाई ना बात हाँ चेक हो जाओ